Hello. In this video, I will demonstrate the TestShell Studio Case tool. By the end of this video, you should be able to use the Case tool to automatically choose between alternative sequences during the test's execution. We will first add an instruction step and ask for the user to provide a number and also tell us if he wants the test to continue or to end. We will then add a case tool from the flow stencil. When we open the case tool for editing, we can add a condition. Our condition will check if the user selected to continue or to end the test. If the user wants to continue, the test will go to the left branch. Otherwise, the test will go to the right branch. We can run the test and try to decide to end it. The test goes to the right branch. We are using message steps to demonstrate the actions. Obviously, our test will not actually end unless we use the end step. The case tool is not limited to 2 optional branches. We can resize it to have as many optional branches as needed. When we edit a step, we will see additional tabs for the different conditions. The case is evaluated from left to right, and the last branch is for anything that did not satisfy any of the previous conditions. In this example, we will separate the cases where the user selected the number 1 from the cases where the user selected a number greater than 1 or less than 1. In each branch, we will put a different message that matches the condition. We can run the test again, enter the number, and continue the test. We can see that the test executes only the 3rd branch, for numbers greater than 1. The condition can be as complex as needed. Let's add another case step and define a more complex condition. This time, we want to check if the number selected by the user is either between 1 to 5 or equals 10. We need to group the first 2 conditions to make sure the condition is evaluated the way we meant it to be. If we run the test and enter the number 3, the test goes to the right branch because 3 is greater than 1. Then it goes to the left branch because 3 is between 1 to 5. You can now easily use the case tool in order to make automated decisions part of your test flow.